Hello everyone, my name is Charlie Günlü. I'm a student from Chicago University from the Electrical Electronical department. I'm doing my master's right now. Today I will be explaining the task 5, which is the multi-layer perceptron classifier and regression. First, before start talking about the code side, I want to give a little information about the MLP algorithm. You can see in the right here. And a multiplayer perceptron is a class of feed-forward artificial neural network. The term MLP is used ambitiously, sometimes loosely to any feed-forward ENN, sometimes strictly to refer the networks composed of the multiple layers of perceptrons with threshold activations. Multilayer perceptrons are sometimes colloquially referred as vanilla neural networks, especially when they have a single hidden layer. An MLP consists of at least three layers of nodes: an input layer, a hidden layer, and an output layer. Except for the input nodes, each node is a neuron that uses a nonlinear activation function. MLP utilizes a supervised learning technique called backpropagation for training. Its multiple layers and nonlinear activation distinguished MLP from linear perceptron. Let's talk about the code side. In here, I had used a MLP regressor and MLP classifier in my coding side. Let's start the code from zero. And for the datasets, I had used one of them is the Boston House datasets, and another one is the Iris datasets. You know, Iris dataset has a length and sepal width. You can see I'm using the graphs from start. This is the sepal width and sepal length for iris dataset and histogram. You can check right here. And the petal length, you can find it from here. And for the Boston datasets, the house prices, the caches, knocks, house ages, and text, another datasets can be seen in right here. This is the parameters we are taking, and when we start the coding with the MLP regressor, you can let me pass the coding for you, parameters and the parameter finders. For the regressor side, when we use the grid search, parameters, best parameters found uh, is showing right here, and the parameters values. And for the classifier side, we can see the precision and accuracy and macro average in right here. This is actually a overtrained section. I believe that when we are using MLP in an iris dataset, it's overtrained because iris dataset is actually a really num outnumbered dataset for neural network systems. When we use neural network in a low dataset with the more neurons, it's overtrained. So classification and regression is not actually okay with that. This is actually a good result. We can see that we can come out with low data sets, not is suitable for big neural networks. But for regression size, regression is kinda better. You can see. So MLP classifier regressor is good for the load busted data. I hope my coding will make an explanation for you. I had brought this 2 weeks ago, so I can't explain too much. But when you check deep into that, it's understandable, I guess. I hope you guys understand a little bit. I wish you everyone a very good day.